This channel has only 59 videos and over 22K subscribers. And if we talk about views, they're impressive. Some videos have crossed millions, while others still have decent numbers. But despite all that, the earnings are almost zero. Yes, zero. And this isn't just one channel. This is the reality for many viral AI Shorts channels. They get millions of views, but after monetization, the earnings are extremely low. This isn't just my opinion, even YouTube's own data shows it. For every 1,000 views, the earning is around $0.03 to $0.10. Even at 100,000 views, you're only making around $3 to $10, and that's just an estimate. In many cases, it can be even lower. Now imagine this. What if I told you that YouTube can pay you $4 to $5 per 1,000 views? Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, that's exactly what happens with long-form content. The content style can be the same, even with fewer views, but the earnings are on a completely different level. And the reason is simple. The longer your content, the more ads YouTube can place. More ads mean more revenue. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create the same type of viral content, but in long-form format. I'll walk you through everything step by step, generating images, animating them, adding voiceovers, editing, everything from start to finish. Let's get started. But real quick, if you enjoy this kind of content, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. You don't want to miss what's coming next. Open ChatGPT. Free version works perfectly fine. Now, I've already made a special prompt for this exact type of video, and I want to give it to you for free. Just comment magic prompt down below, and I'll send it straight to you. Once you've got it, copy the whole prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, and hit send. ChatGPT will give you 10 different horror video ideas to pick from. Just scroll through and pick whichever one catches your eye. I'm going with number 8. It just felt the most interesting to me. Type your number and hit send. Then it asks one more thing. How long do you want the video to be? Anywhere from 1 minute to 5 minutes. I'm picking 2 minutes for this tutorial, but you can go longer if you want. Type your number and send. Now watch what happens. ChatGPT just wrote your entire video for you. The title, the hashtags, every image prompt you need, every animation prompt, and the full voiceover script. Everything. Done. In one go. That's your whole video right there on the screen. Now we just have to build it. Now, open Google Gemini, click on the Create Image button, and select the Fast mode. After that, scroll to the top of what ChatGPT gave you and copy the first image prompt. Paste the prompt in and hit send. Give it a few seconds, and boom, your first image is ready. Dark, creepy, cinematic, exactly what a horror video needs. Now go back to ChatGPT and grab the second image prompt. Paste it into Gemini and hit send again. Second image done. Just keep doing this for every single prompt. Copy, paste, generate. Copy, paste, generate. It's literally the same thing every time. Once all your images are ready, download every single one of them and keep them somewhere easy to find. We're going to need them in the next step. Open Google Flow. If you don't have credits, don't worry. I made a whole separate video on how to get them for free. Go check that out. Import all your images into Google Flow. Takes a few seconds to load, and then they're all right there ready to use. Click on the first image and then select Animate. Then jump into Settings. Switch to Video mode, set frame, aspect ratio 16:9, results 1x. For the model, pick VO 3.1 Fast. It's quicker and uses less credits, which is always a win. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the first animation prompt. Paste it into Google Flow and hit send. A few seconds later, your first clip is ready. Smooth, cinematic, actually looks scary. Now just repeat that same thing for every image. Drag image in, copy animation prompt, paste it, generate, download. That's the whole step. Do it for every image until all your clips are done and saved. Once all videos are ready, the next step is voiceover. I'm using 11 Labs for this. There's a free version, so don't stress. I've also got videos showing how to get free voiceovers on other platforms if you want to keep it fully free. Check those out too. Go back to ChatGPT and scroll all the way to the bottom. You'll see the voiceover script sitting right there. Copy the whole thing, every single line, don't skip anything. Paste it into 11 Labs and hit generate. It'll come out sounding something like this.
It started like any normal vlog, just another late-night upload from a small creator no one really noticed. She looked tired, maybe a little off, but nothing unusual. At least, that's what everyone thought at first.
Download the audio, and we're moving on. Once all video clips are ready, it's time to put it all together. For that, I'm going to use CapCut. Open CapCut, import all your video clips. Drag them into the timeline one by one in order. Make sure the sequence matches your script so the story actually makes sense. Hit play and watch it through once. Then, drag your voiceover audio into the timeline as well. Now, the voiceover probably won't line up with the clips perfectly right away, and that's totally normal. Just trim the parts that feel too long and speed up or slow down clips where you need to until everything flows nicely together. Once that's good, go to the audio section and search for scary movie sound. Pick one that fits the vibe of your video. Just make sure it's free to use. Drag it in, trim it to fit the length of your video, and bring the volume down a little so it sits behind the voiceover without overpowering it. Watch the whole thing back one more time. If it feels good, hit export. You're done. Now let's watch it.
It started like any normal vlog, just another late-night upload from a small creator no one really noticed. She looked tired, maybe a little off, but nothing unusual. At least, that's what everyone thought at first, because a few minutes after the video went live, people started noticing something strange, something in the background. At first, it was just one comment. Pause at 12 seconds. Then more started coming in. Look behind her. Is that a person? When viewers zoomed in, they saw it. A shape, standing in the mirror, tall, distorted, unmoving. And the worst part? She never reacted. She never turned around. It was like she couldn't see it, or worse, like it didn't want to be seen. People kept replaying the video, frame by frame, and with every second, the figure looked closer. Closer than it should have been. Then suddenly,